These are the elevators at the Westin. I don't think I'm gonna be lucky with these. These are locked. Nah. Dang. Alright. Yeah. I'm just taking a ride on the elevator.
Okay, yeah, I was wondering.
Yeah.
Enjoying the board?
Yeah. I'm just enjoying the speed. Whoa. Pretty fast. Enjoy. Have a good day.
You too.
Yeah. I guess I'll go to 2. What was that? I swore I just saw letters on this. Alright, let's hope that we pick up someone. Doesn't look like it's gonna go anywhere, so just let it go. See where it takes us. Meanwhile, here's a cabbie. Yeah, it doesn't like the flickering of the lights in here.